Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to Worth Coin channel. Today we have something truly special to dive into. The ultra rare UK1 penny coins from 1920 to 1938. We'll be exploring their value, diameter, and uncovering the fascinating history behind these rare treasures. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our coin-related content. Now let's talk about the value of the 1920 UK1 penny coin. Rarity and condition play crucial roles in determining its worth in the numismatic market. As with any collectible, the better the condition, the higher the value. Finding a 1921 penny coin in mint condition can be a challenge due to its age. The rarity of this coin, especially in excellent condition, contributes significantly to its collector's value. So, what's the current market value of the 1920 UK1 penny coin? The value can fluctuate based on market trends, demand, and the overall condition of the coin. It's always a good idea to stay informed about the latest trends in the numismatic world. Keep an eye on reputable auction houses and online platforms to gauge the current market value. The numismatic community is dynamic, and staying updated can help you make informed decisions. For all the coin collectors out there, here's some tips when it comes to the 1920 UK1 penny coin. Firstly, authenticity is key. Ensure you're dealing with reputable sellers or experts in the field. Secondly, consider factors like rarity, condition, and historical significance to determine the coin's overall value. 1938 penny. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the value, let's take a quick trip back in time. The year 1938, a time of historical significance. The world was on the brink of major events, and amidst all that, the 1938 penny was minted. This copper beauty witnessed an era of change and challenges. Now, let's talk about the design. The 1938 penny boasts a classic design, showcasing iconic symbols of its time. The minting process involved intricate details that make this coin a true work of art. From the engraving to the striking, each step played a role in creating a piece of history. One of the factors that can significantly impact the value of a coin is its rarity. In the case of the 1938 penny, there are variations and mint marks that collectors are on the lookout for. Keep an eye out for any distinguishing features. They might just make your 1938 penny even more special. Now, let's get down to business. How much is your 1938 penny worth? The value of a coin can depend on a variety of factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. To get an accurate estimate, consider consulting with a numismatic expert or using online resources like Coin Value Guys. For all you avid collectors out there, here's some tips. Keep your 1938 penny in good condition by storing it properly. Handle it with care and avoid cleaning it, as that can potentially decrease its value. And of course, always stay informed about the market trends and any new discoveries related to this coin. And there you have it, the story of the 1938 penny. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the world of coins is filled with fascinating history and hidden treasures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things numismatic. Until next time, happy collecting